bagong gising kami, pero nangungulita ang baby Gian ko to make a popsicle stick. Kahapon, bumili kami ng tray ng lalagyanan sa Unisan, sa bagong bukas na mall. Okay, ngayon, she wants to try on how to make a popsicle stick. Okay, so this is the, yes?
Madami pumupunta.
Oh, really? Okay, so this is the procedure on how to make a popsicle stick. Okay, first, you have to, wait, you have to get a glass of water. And then, ang gagamitin natin ay grape juice. Okay? Wait lang. Okay, so we have to add some powdered drink here. Okay, then we're going to get a spoon. Okay? Okay. So we're going to get a spoon. Saan mo kinuha niya? Where did you get your spoon? There. Okay, so we are about to sear it using your spoon. Okay. Let me taste it. Okay na siya. Kasi pag nag-yellow na siya. Aha. So may malaking freezer si mother. So lalagyan nila para mamaya. Okay. We are about to pour this here in the container. $75 ho. Ay, sakto yung 1 glass of juice, of water. Sige, ilagay na natin. At tapos lalagyan na natin sila.
Hindi, mali ka. Ang eto dito. Yung blue dito.
Wag bicolor pa talaga ha. Wala na ho. Okay. Okay, Ash. Sige, drink this. The excess one. Another one. Oo nga eh. Okay. Show them. Okay, ito na po yung ating popsicle stick. Nabili ko po ito for about 75 pesos. Okay, so dadali na nila ito sa freezer para tumigas na siya. Then later papakita po namin. Bye-bye! Say bye! Say bye, G.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!